Hello, good morning dear students. We are going to learn the poem in the 7th standard 2nd unit, that is The Rebel by D.J. Enright. See, the poem is given to you at the very proper time. Up till now you have many times done this action rebel, and it is the simplest form of rebelling that is given, that how that rebel, that skill or the ambition of rebel comes in us. And you might have done it many times. Now sometimes, say for example, rebel means protest. Sometimes I'll give you the example. Mother tells you, do not go in the ground, do not grow out of the house, and don't play over there, but you still don't listen to your mother and you go there. Rebel, that is protesting your mother, father and their instructions. Same way rebel goes on age wise. You are rebelling in the house, rebel goes on higher level altitude when you live in the society. Okay, when you go and enter in the society, what rebel is there in the society? See, when everybody has short hair, the rebel lets his hair grow long. When everybody is cutting hair, the people who rebel, they have long hairs. When everybody has long hairs, the rebel cuts his hair short. When everyone is growing the hair long, they cut their hairs short. So it's protest, going against. When everybody talks during the lesson, the rebel doesn't say a word. When the lesson is going on, everybody will talk, the rebel will not talk. When nobody talks during the lesson, the rebel creates a disturbance. When something is being done, the rebel disturbs. So that is a rebel. When everybody wears uniform, the rebel dresses in fantastic clothes. When everyone is told, tomorrow you'll have to come to the school in the proper uniform, but the rebel comes without uniform. Because that mind is set for going against, protesting. Okay, so it happens. You sometimes, me sometimes, we rebel. Okay, but at level, we should know the level. Let us learn the poem first, then I'll explain. When everybody wears fantastic clothes, the rebel dresses soberly. In the company of dog lovers, the rebel expresses a preference for cats. When some people are moving with their dogs on the road, the rebel comes with the cat. So in the company of cat lovers, the people where there are people, group of people, when they are talking about cat, and this rebel talks, no, I don't like cats, I like dogs. So he talks about dog. The rebel puts in a good word for dogs. So this is how rebelling is. When everybody is praising the sun, the rebel remarks on the need of rain. When everybody says नहीं बारिश नहीं होनी चाहिए, अभी थोड़ा सा धूप आनी चाहिए, the rebel says नहीं और होनी चाहिए. So that he talks about rain. When everybody is greeting the rain, the rebel regrets the absence of sun. And rebel people are like this. When it is raining, everyone, the whole village people and your surrounding people, when they say, group of people say, अच्छा है, बारिश हो रही है, the rebel says, ज़्यादा हो रही है, नहीं होनी चाहिए. So the rebels are like this, they go against. When everybody goes to the meeting, the rebel says, stays at home and reads a book. When there is a meeting, the rebel doesn't go. And when everybody stays at home and reads a book, the rebel goes to the meeting. People are like this. When the government says don't go outside of the houses, corona is spreading out, but these rebel people, they'll not listen, they'll go without the mask also. They'll go in the society, they're moving in the society, they're moving in the market. If you need to go somewhere in the meeting, you go in that proper place and come back to your house. Don't wander here and there. But rebel are doing this. So you might have seen nowadays on the television sets, there are news that people are not caring for social distancing. Rebel. When the government says that, it is protesting. Okay. When everybody says yes please, the rebel says no thank you. And when everybody says no thank you, we don't want it, the rebel says okay, continue it, I want it. Yes please. It is very good that we have rebels. You may not find it very good to be one. See, it is very good to have rebel, but you may not find it very good to be one. You will not like to become a rebel. You will not like to become a rebel. It's like saying, see, last line, how importantly the poet, simple example gives, and in the end he gave a very dashing example. And what in easy words I'll tell you, that Bhagat Singh होना चाहिए, but not in my house, है ना. कोई तो सरकार को प्रोटेस्ट करे, अंग्रेजों को कोई तो भगाए, पर कौन? भगत सिंह, मेरा बेटा नहीं. So that is you will not like to be one. Rebel is a daring thing. In all the lines he tells that rebel are like this idiot, ये ऐसा करते हैं. But in the last line he says some rebel are like this, है ना. कहीं पे कुछ जगह पे प्रोटेस्ट होना भी ज़रूरी है. You need to protest at some places. So this is the simplest poem about rebel. Read the poem at home, and I'll send you the summary and the question answers of the poem. Thank you.